Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Camry speakers. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need plastic trim removal tools, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket or wrench. Make sure you have your new speakers, along with any necessary wiring harnesses and mounting adapters. It's also a good idea to roll down all your windows completely. This gives you more room to maneuver the door panels during removal. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Now let's tackle the front door speakers. Begin by locating and removing all hidden screws. These are often found at the bottom of the door, behind the door handle, and under the window switch. Use your plastic trim tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the clips. Once loose, lift the panel upwards, then disconnect all electrical harnesses and the door handle cable. Finally, unscrew the 4 bolts holding the old 6x9-inch speaker and unplug its wiring connector. Moving to the rear doors, the process is quite similar to the front. Start by carefully removing any visible or hidden screws on the rear door panels. Then, use your trim removal tool to gently pop off the door panel, releasing all the clips. Disconnect any electrical harnesses attached to the panel. You'll then find the rear speaker, typically secured by 4 bolts. Unscrew these bolts, unplug the speaker's wiring, and carefully remove the old unit. Now you're ready for the new speaker. With the old speakers out, it's time for the new ones. First, attach your new speakers to their mounting adapters, ensuring a snug fit. Connect the new speaker wiring harnesses, matching the wide and skinny terminals correctly. Carefully mount the new speaker into the door, securing it with 4 screws. Before reassembling anything, test your audio system to confirm everything works perfectly. Finally, align the door panel clips, push them firmly into place, and reinstall all screws and covers to complete your speaker upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.